Ninth standard student, pay attention. Factorize next question. X square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 into bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 bracket complete minus 64. Now if you neatly observe, if we do square expansion it will change to x raised to 4, then we cannot factorize. Here we have to use substitution method. For this x square minus 6x, for this x square minus 6x, assume any other number. So first I am writing the question again in the answer. Substitution method is to be used. Substitute x square minus 6x equal to m, any other letter, a or m. Therefore the expression will be given, given polynomial will be, don't write equation, it is not equation, equal to sign is not there, it is only factorize, will be m square minus 8 bracket, this much part is m plus 8, x square minus 6x is m plus 8 as it is, minus 64 is equal to m square minus 8m, minus 8 into plus 8 is minus 64 and this minus 64. This minus 64 is obtained by 8 8s are 64, both are minus 64, minus minus become bigger minus in addition subtraction, so minus 128. Now we have to factorize it by using rough work, negative 128. To get product negative different sign, and total should be minus 8. Which are such a number? 16 edza. For that you must know the table. 16 edza 128 16 28 असे, that you must know. M square minus 16m plus 8m, minus 16 plus 8 along with variable. Then take out common from first two and next two. M common, m minus 16 plus 8 common, m minus 16, that is equal to common bracket m minus 16 and another factor m plus 8. We got the factors, but question was in x, answer is in m, it is due to substitution. To remove that m, again resubstitute value of m, resubstitute, whatever substitution done, change it, resubstitute value of m. What is m? X square minus 6x, x square minus 6x minus 16, x square minus 6x plus 8. Now again to do rough work, to factorize this if possible. Sometimes it is possible, sometimes it is not possible. To get product negative 16 different sign, total should be minus 6. Is it possible? Yes. Minus 8 into plus 2 is minus 16, addition is minus 6. So we can factorize this. Product plus 8, both will take middle term sign, total minus 6. Is it possible? Yes. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 and product is plus 8. So this is also possible. So neatly write in big bracket x square, instead of minus 6x, what write? Minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. In another bracket, x square, instead of minus 6x, what write? Second rough work, minus 4x minus 2x and this plus 8 as it is. Now again common from first two and next two. In big bracket, from first two x is common, x is common, x minus 8 plus 2 common, x minus 8 into another bracket, x into x minus 4 minus 2 common. What is common? Minus 2 common. Minus sign common, 2 common, x minus 4. When minus sign is taken common, sign of 4 term changes in the bracket. So it is minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. Now from this bracket, x minus 8 is one factor, x plus 2 is second factor, into from this x minus 4 is, and only x minus 2 remains, so another bracket not required. From this x minus 2 is taken, 8 is taken common, x plus 2 remain. From this x minus 4 is taken common, x minus 2 remains. So these are the 4 factors, expected factors. Now similar question, x square minus 2x plus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. If we multiply x square, it becomes x raised to 4. So we are not to multiply because we know how to factorize only quadratic. Here we have to use substitution method. For this part, x square minus 2x, which is common, assume it as m. Substitute x square minus 2x equal to m. Therefore, the expression will be what it will be? Will be m plus 3, m plus 5 minus 35. m into m plus 5 plus 3 into m plus 5 minus 35. How to do product if you forget? First term of first bracket multiply by second bracket, second term of first bracket multiply by second bracket. This minus 35 term as it is afterwards. M square plus 5m plus 3m plus 15 minus 35. Now add the like term, m square plus 8m minus 20. 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Now minus 20 product and addition should be plus 8. So I am doing rough work over here. Minus 20 we want product, addition we want plus 8. So bigger will take middle term sign, other will take opposite sign to get product negative. Plus 10 into minus 2 is minus 20, addition is plus 8. So split up this plus 8m, m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. Common from first to m into m plus 10 minus 2 into m plus 10. Common bracket m plus 10, another bracket m minus 2. Now we get factors, but it is in terms of m. Resubstitute value of m. Resubstitute value of m. So what is value of m? M is x square minus 2x. X square minus 2x plus 10. X square minus 2x minus 2. Now we have to try to factorize this by doing rough work. Many times we have factorized this 2 into 4 factors, sometimes in 3 factors. Now we will check. To get positive 10 product, both will have middle term sign and addition should be minus 2. Is it possible? No. 10 1s are 10, minus 10 minus 1 will be minus 11. 5 2s are 10, minus 5 minus 2 will be minus 7, cannot be minus 2. So it is not possible. It is not possible means this cannot be further factorized. Then product minus 2 and addition also minus 2. Product minus 2 is possible only one way, 2 1s are, but minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. We want minus 2. So it can also be not possible. So what we tried, this line indicate we tried it, but we find that these and these factors are not possible of these two. So these are only the factors. X square minus 2x plus 10 is one factor, x square minus 2x minus 2 is another factor. This factor cannot be factorized. For example, if it is suppose 35 we write 7 into 5, then 7 and 5 cannot be further factorized, so 7 and 5 is only answer. But if it is instead of 35, suppose it is any other number such as 70, then 70 is 10 into 7. 10 can be further factorized as 5 into 2. Then we have to write 5 into 2 into 7. If possible, we have to factorize. Here factors are not possible, so this is only the final answer. Now we are starting with problem set 3. First question is also always MCQ. Multiple choice question, select the correct alternative. Total there are 10 questions. First we will solve 4, then we will solve again 3, then we will solve 3. 3 times I will write it on the board. Which of the following is polynomial? Polynomial means what? Polynomial is written in the form of x raised to n plus something into x raised to n minus 1 means a1 x raised to n plus a2 x raised to n minus 1 plus a3 x raised to n minus 2 etc. Where that x raised to n etc. are there indices, those are integers, non-negative integers, and there should not be negative integer. It is x upon y. X upon y means x multiplied by y raised to minus 1. So upon y is there, therefore it is not a polynomial. It is x raised to root 2, index is root, so it is not a polynomial. Here index is negative, it is not a polynomial. Here root 2 x square plus half, root 2 is there, but root 2 is a1, a2, constant, that is allowed, any real number, rational, irrational, anything. Index should be x square, 2, positive. So root 2 x square plus half, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Root 2 x square plus half. This is constant term, x term is absent, x square term is there. So it is a polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial root 7? While writing degree of polynomial root 7, many students make mistake. Why? Because just now you learn the third lesson. In the third lesson, degree of the third is this 2, 3, whatever is in the nth root of a, n is the degree. But in polynomial, degree is the maximum index of the variable. Root 7 is not the variable, 7 is not the variable, root 7 is one of the constant term. And if constant term is there, non-zero constant, constant other than 0, then it's a degree 0. So what is the correct answer? Degree of non-zero constant is 0. Degree of non-zero constant is 0. If it is as degree of third root 7, it will come 2. Degree of polynomial root 7, for polynomial degree is the index of the variable. Root 7 means root 7 into x raised to 0. So 0 is the degree. What is the degree of 0 polynomial? Although all constant terms, non-zero constant term have degree 0, for 0 we cannot define the degree, because 0 can be written as 0 into x, 0 into x square, 0 into x cube, any number. Therefore it cannot be defined, so it is called undefined. Degree of 0 polynomial is undefined. Degree of 0 polynomial is undefined, and degree of any constant term other than 0, non-zero constant degree is 0. For non-zero constant degree 0, for 0 degree cannot be defined. And what is the degree of polynomial? It is one of the easy question. 2x square plus 5x cube plus 7. Degree means maximum index of variable. What is maximum index of variable? 3. Index of variable. 7 is a constant term, so 7 is not the degree. X cube term, degree 3, maximum index is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. pay it attention. What is the coefficient form of x cube minus 1? X cube minus 1, to convert in coefficient form we are writing x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1. Therefore coefficient form is coefficients 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Such an answer is there anywhere? 1, 0, 0, minus 1? Yes. So this we have to do rough, fast and get the answer. Then second, 6th sum, p of x is x square minus 7 root 7x plus 3. Find p 7 root 7. So for that 6th I am doing work over here. P of 7 root 7. I am writing in short now. X square means 7 root 7 square minus 7 root 7x is 7 root 7 into x is again 7 root 7 plus 3. 7 root 7 square, and 7 root 7 square is 49 into 7, and this 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 is also 7 root 7 square, that is also 49. 7 7s are 49, root 7 is 7 plus 3. So whatever this product is, this is plus and this is minus, get cancel. Means this is also 7 root 7 minus 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 is also 7 root 7. That 49 into 3, 343 will come. 343 minus 343 will cancel. What is the answer? Plus 3, plus 3. So what is the answer? 3. And the 7th, very easy. But you have to remember that cube of negative number is negative, product of positive negative is negative, and you have to solve. 7th, rough work. 2x cube plus 7, 2x. So when x is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 cube, negative cube is negative, minus 1 cube is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into this minus 1 is also minus 2. This is also minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4, yes, minus 4. So all these 5th, 6th, 7th can be solved within 2 steps to get the answer. Pay attention. If x minus 1, what is a factor of polynomial? Now in this wording only many students make mistake. If x minus 1, what is a factor of polynomial? Is a language used to tell that x minus 1 is a factor. Means instead of telling x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 ha it's a factor hai, they are telling if x minus 1 what is a factor. x minus 1 हा असा आहे की जो त्याचा फॅक्टर आहे. इन दॅट वे इट इज रिटन. सो x minus 1 is a factor of this. Find value of m. x minus 1 is a factor of this. Then by factor theorem, for x equal to 1, value will be 0. So let, I am doing rough work here. Px equal to 3x square plus mx. X minus 1 is factor of px. Therefore, p of 1 is 0. If x minus 1 is factor, p of 1 is 0. So, p of 1 is what? 3 into 1 square plus m into 1 equal to 0. 3 into 1 square is 3. 3 into 1 plus m is 0. 3 plus m is 0. So m is minus 3. M is minus 3. So what is the value of m? Minus 3. Minus 3. Now pay attention for the 9th sum. Multiply x square minus 3 and 2x minus 7x cube plus 4. Multiply means actual not to multiply, only you have to write degree of the product, whatever is after multiplication. For that, product is also not required. Whatever is degree of two factors, two multiples, their degree to add. What is degree of these? 2. What is degree of these? 3. If we multiply, what will be the degree of the product? Addition of these two. 2 plus 3, 5. Means while doing multiply by highest degree and highest degree x square into 7x cube, it becomes 7x raised to 5. 2 plus 3. So what is the degree of the product? Addition of these two degree. 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 is given anywhere? Yes, A is only given 5. Do you understand how 5 it is? Degree of product of two polynomial is equal to sum of the degree of those two polynomial, 2 plus 3. And last, which of the following is linear polynomial? Linear, all of you know, linear means degree 1. We have learned in one of the exercise types of polynomials according to degree: linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Cubic means degree 3, quadratic means degree 2 and linear means degree 1. So linear means degree 1, x raised to 1 means only x, no x square, x cube, x4 allowed. So only x should be maximum. So what is the answer? X plus 5 is the linear polynomial out of these. This is quadratic, this is cubic and this is highest degree polynomial. Write the degree of the polynomial is second question. In that first is given 5 plus 3x raised to 4. As it was told, degree means maximum index of variable, whatever is variable x, y, m, etc. used. Here what is the variable? X. What is its maximum index? 4. So degree is 4. Second, 7. 7 is constant non-zero number. Non-zero constant has degree 0. In the fill in the blanks MCQ also we learn. Degree is 0. Why degree is 0? I will give you short explanation. 7 means 7 into 1. It can be written as 7 into variable x raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So degree is 0. Degree is 0. Answer is only this much. This is the rough work for your understanding. The third, a x raised to 7 plus b x raised to 9, where a, b are constants. A, b are not variable, a, b are constants. So don't multiply. If it is x square y cube, then degree of this will come 2 plus 3, 5 because both are variable. But here a is a constant, b is a constant. So we should not consider a x raised to 7 means 1 plus 7, 8, etc. A is a constant, b is a constant. Those are not variable. Therefore, degree means maximum index of variable x only. Here it is 7, here it is 9. Maximum is 9. Degree is 9. Degree is 9. Neatly write it. Write the following polynomial in standard form. First is 4x square plus 7x raised to 4 minus x cube minus x plus 9. The standard form is, standard form means we have to write from highest degree to lowest degree, highest index to lowest index of variable. First highest degree of variable term 7x raised to 4, then next minus x cube, then next plus 4x square, then next minus x, then constant plus 9. This is the standard form. Similarly, second one more is asked. P is the variable here. P plus 2p cube plus 10p square plus 5p raised to 4 minus 8, highest to lowest. What is maximum index? 5p raised to 4 term plus 2p cube plus 10p square plus p minus 8. is the standard form. Standard form is nothing but right from highest degree index to lowest degree index. Write the following in coefficient form. One by one we'll solve. It is given x raised to 4 plus 16. So it can be written along with all the terms in between with 0 coefficient. And then we can write all the coefficient. We know that we must start with the highest degree to lowest degree. Last must be constant term. If constant term not exists, then we must write 0. Everything we have learned in the exercise. Therefore, the coefficient form is write coefficient in a bracket. What is coefficient of highest x raised to 4? Nothing. Look here, means 1. 0, 0, 0 with commas, and last is 16. If any negative is there, minus sign should be written, but here all are positive. Then the second one, second sub question in that is m raised to 5 plus 2m square plus 3m plus 15. So again I am writing the same, m raised to 5 plus 2m square plus 3m plus 15. Write along with all the terms. M raised to 5 plus 0m raised to 4 plus 0m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus 15. All terms are written. Therefore the coefficient form is what is the coefficient form? 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 15. 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 15. If index is 5, degree is 5, term must be 6. Here index was 4, therefore terms were 5. Total terms are 1 more than the degree.